Welcome to
Hi there.
my
If you
channel.
have been feeling bloated, sluggish, or just low on energy, then this simple glass of green goodness will change your mornings for good. Today, I am sharing a powerful detox juice packed with fresh spinach, crisp lettuce, sweet apples, green apples for that matter, hydrating cucumber, cleansing celery, zesty lime, antioxidant rich grapes, spicy ginger, and refreshing cilantro. So, this isn't just a drink, it is a natural energy boost, gut cleanser, skin glow in a glass, and the best part of it is that you can make it in less than 10 minutes. So stay with me because by the end of this video you will know exactly why this juice is a game changer for your gut health. Ingredients I'll be using: some spinach, some fresh lettuce, some green apples, some cucumber, celery, lime, ginger, green grapes, and cilantro. So first of all, I will be chopping all of that to fit into my blender. Today we'll be doing a big twist for this particular video because many people have requested a video of me juicing without a juicer. So today I'm going to be juicing these without my juicer, and watch and stay with me on to the very end of this particular video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Bestie, hit the subscribe button, and it wouldn't cost you a thing to subscribe. You just need to hit that button and join the family for getting good content like this one. So then we go back to our video. So first off of the ingredients is the spinach. Spinach is rich in iron, folate, magnesium, and boosts red blood cell production and supports energy levels and helps with digestion. So we also have some lettuce. Lettuce is high in water content, aids hydration, supports weight loss, and provides vitamin A and K for skin and bone health. And then we have some green apples, which is packed with fiber and antioxidants, great for gut health and controlling blood sugar and satisfying sweet cravings naturally. And then we have some cucumber. Cucumber is super hydrating as well. It helps flush out toxins, supports clear skin, and is naturally anti-inflammatory. And then we have some celery. Celery is known for gut cleansing and lowering inflammation. Plus, it's full of minerals that balance body pH. And then we have some lime. Lime boosts vitamin C intake, supports immunity, and helps your body absorb iron from the greens. And then we have some green grapes. The green grapes are packed with antioxidants, support heart health, and provide natural sweetness without refined sugar. And then we have some ginger. Ginger is very powerful anti-inflammatory substance, and it also improves digestion and boosts metabolism. And then we have the cilantro or the coriander, you can take it. Natural detoxifier, helps remove heavy metals from the body and supports liver health. So will you be trying this recipe? So all the ingredients have been properly chopped and it's ready now for the juicing. Let's begin. Woo! So I'll be transferring everything into the blender, and I will be starting with this particular aspect, the celery and the spinach. So I set that into the blender and I added almost equivalent to 900 milliliters of water to properly blend that, because I needed much water to give me, that is the only water content I'll be using to blend or juice this particular recipe. So I'll be using this particular juice. As I strain, I use it to blend the rest of the ingredients. So that's the idea for this particular recipe. So this video is just to tell you that you can turn your normal kitchen utensils and make something out of it which is healthy. So I have juiced the first part, I have blended the first part, juiced it, take the water content, and then continue juicing the rest of the ingredients, and I will continue like that till I definitely blend all the other ingredients that are still standby. So I'll continue doing this process till everything is done. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you really waiting for? Do I need to hit the bell for you to subscribe? Just hit the subscribe button. Are you in your weight loss journey? Are you really actually frustrated to be focused? Because weight loss is not about quick results. It's about consistency. It's about your mental readiness, and it's about being very intentional about what you want for your health. So if you don't like the way your body looks like, if you're always bloated after eating, but I want to really encourage you to try this gut cleansing. So I have first of all sieved the first batch, and then now I'm transferring everything into this chiffon cloth so as to juice everything, and I would not want the remaining fiber. But believe me, the chaffs from this particular juicing wasn't that much as expected. So don't be bothered about fiber and that I am not consuming the right amount of fiber. I mean, I know my blender is very good, and I got everything that I needed to get. You understand? So I'm getting all the nutrients from it. I make sure I juice everything out of the fiber, and I get all the nutrients that my body needs. So now, whether you want to detox your body, you want to lose weight, you want a glowing skin, or you want to boost your energy, or just want to burn some belly fat, or stir up your metabolism, or detoxify your body, this juice is definitely a good try, and definitely every person needs to try a cleansing at least once every month. And I equally do this and deliver it to clients, because I remember some people are really asking if I can actually juice like this and supply to them. Yes, I do it as a side hustle. If you need any of these juices, please indicate on the chat box below, and we will get in contact and tell me what you want, and I will do it and deliver to you at your doorstep. Is if you live in Sweden. So
it is fantastic.
Did you get that? That was amazing. I tasted that and it tasted so great. So now I'll be corking that into my bottles to make it easier for me to just pick it up and drink, even if I am at work, even if on a get to go or somewhere, I want to go somewhere, I just pick it up and I wouldn't be bothered how my money will look like, because I have these bottles with me. I can carry it with me anywhere I want to go. And if I'm going to travel for long distances, I put some ice and make it fresh and make sure that it stays very well. But make sure you consume all of this within 4 days, because after 4 days it wouldn't be at its best. So consume all your juices within 3 to 4 days. It is most recommended. So all the juicing is done. I have set that into my bottles, and this is it. Every morning I just take it to work, and it's easier for me to just take a drink like this. So if you haven't subscribed up to this moment, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to drop your comment down below if you'll be trying this particular juice. Or thanks for watching. See you in my next video.